Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. You have to start by open Creative application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list. You will see the same menu because usually you will see this menu, but sometimes it also can open for you this menu, so then you need to just stop at your earbuds. Then go to the ambient control and you need to enable ANC. So tap on it and right here we can set ANC level. By default it uses minimum, so you can increase it by move this dot to the right. I'm going to use maximum, but you can also lower it, use medium. It's up to you. Right here we have 5 sections, so select just the best one for you. I guess maximum is okay for me. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!